Hello everyone. My name is Danica Marie Cabahug, and welcome to our subject CCNA2, Routing and Protocol Concepts. In our PPT report, Chapter 1, Introduction to Routing and Packet Forwarding, we'll be learning about the router, one of the most important devices in networking. Most of us think of a router as just a magic box that gives us internet. But in reality, a router is very similar to a computer. It has an operating system, memory, CPU, storage, and interfaces. Let's break them down one by one. 1. iOS version. The iOS is the router's operating system. It's just like Windows or Linux on a computer. This is what allows the router to forward packets from one network to another. If your computer runs Windows to open apps, a router runs iOS to move packets. 2. Bootstrap version. The startup program. The Bootstrap is like the BIOS of a PC. It's the first program that runs when the router is turned on. It runs first, checks the hardware, then loads iOS. Example: when you turn on a computer, BIOS runs before Windows. In the same way, the Bootstrap runs before iOS on a router. CPU and RAM. The CPU is the brain, and RAM stores temporary data. Example: just like opening Chrome on your PC loads into RAM, packets are processed in router RAM. Interfaces. These are ports that connect to other networks. Example: a laptop uses Wi-Fi or LAN, a router uses Ethernet or serial ports. NVRAM stores the startup configuration of the router and doesn't erase when turned off. Example: like your PC remembering your Wi-Fi password after restart, also a router keeps its settings in NVRAM. Flash memory stores the iOS image needed for the router to run. Example: like Windows stored on a PC's hard drive. So, as we can see, a router is basically a specialized computer. But instead of running apps or games, its job is to forward packets between networks. And that concludes my PPT report. Thank